Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and notary public loan signing agent. Got a house here from Stanley Martin. We're over in the covered bridge area. Inventory house. Let's go have a look. If you're interested in this home or any other home, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. No pressure sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer's agent. I do not work for representing the home builder. Salespeople at home builders always work for and represent the builder, and it's no cost to have me represent you. It's included in your price. Builder's always included. Is use it or lose it. So let's check out this house. So far when I walk in, you got two ways to go, to the left or to the right. So we're going to go left here. Got yourself a nice sized bedroom. Let's check out the closet. This is kind of interesting, but also very nice as well. You got two sinks. You got one on each side, so here's your floor. So we've got two bedrooms and two sinks, and the bathtub is separate over there with the toilet. Definitely a little bit different. Wow, look at the size of this room. This room's fantastic. It's just so large. Yeah, fantastic size room. Here's your garage. It's a two-car. Two-car, and it's a much larger two-car garage as far as width. You can see, if I put my foot down here, you can see just how much space is there. And sometimes you only get a couple of inches, and it's not even enough to open up your car door. So this is really fantastic. And your hot water heater's in here as well. You got your circuit breaker panel over there. It's always nice to have the hot water heater outside, especially here in Florida. Helps you to conserve energy because the heat from the garage is going to keep that water much hotter. Very spacious in here. I like the ceiling in this laundry room. And also in the event that the hot water heater leaks. I know I got a little sidetracked. Okay, so here's your kitchen. And this is going to be where your living room and your dining room will be as well. And some kind of a coat closet. Here's your lanai. So you definitely got enough room for a table and chairs and a barbecue or whatever you like. You can see that the house comes with granite, which over here in Haines City is not the standard. Typically you see laminate with builders. So this home is already upgraded, so to speak, with granite. And if you're wondering what's an upgrade from the granite, typically quartz is, at least in my opinion. Let's go check out the master bedroom. Okay, very nice. Here it is, the most exciting room. And it never is, it never is. Okay, so you got a very narrow walk-in closet, but I guess it's perfectly fine for clothes. Put myself in the video bit so you could see where I'm standing. I'm at arm's length too with the camera, so probably should have put this on a selfie stick for a little distancing, but you kind of see where I am, and you could see, you know, how much space there is between my head and shoulders and the shelving. So let's see what this is. It's probably another closet. Oh, that's good at least. Yeah, it's a much larger a towel closet. And you got your standard 2 sinks. You walk out of your master bedroom right into your kitchen and living room and dining room. I do hope that everybody enjoyed this video. Please like, favorite, share, and subscribe, and all those great YouTube things that help to make the YouTube algorithm notice people like me. And thank you again for watching. Have yourself a fantastic day. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder, and what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, you know, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me, you know, they've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where, you know, your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, you know, don't miss out on it. For you, you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because Home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.